Hey everybody, I've got this BOTSLAB Brand Video Doorbell. It's a Video Doorbell 2 Pro, 180 degree wide angle vision doorbell cam. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Well, here's everything that came in the box. It's got the directions. There's a couple stickers. It has some stickers here. This is for the express your takeout, for some prompting to ring the doorbell. And this is the template stickers too for mounting this stuff right there. And the quick start guide. It's also got a charging cable, some mounting screws, and some mounting wires as well. Some connecting wires. It's got this thing too. Here's a good look at it. Try not to touch the lenses here. Well, here's all the pieces, the components on this. So that's the camera lens right there. And then there's an infrared lamp right in here behind that. And then this is the PIR sensor. And then right here, that's the mic pickup hole. And then under here is a radar sensor. And then this is the doorbell button itself. The speaker output is on the bottom here. And then there's an infrared lamp in here and indicator light as well. Okay, they call this an indoor signal base station. So this is the antennas on there. And then there's a speaker output hole there. And then the power plug, of course, on the back. To turn the doorbell on, just on the back of the camera, take and hold that down.
Welcome to BOTSLAB Video Doorbell.
That means it's on. Now here's the charger. It comes with a Type-C connector, USB and Type-C, and where you charge it is right in the side here. Just peel that up, and that's where the charging port is. Now what we're going to do is download the BOTSLAB app, and it's got a QR code associated with it, and I can't show it or I'll get flagged if I show barcodes or QR codes. However, you can download the app by scanning the QR code that's in the quick connect guide. And we got that plugged into the wall. So this thing just gave me an audible that says it's waiting to receive a signal from the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and go get the app set up. Okay, got all registered with the app account and all that good stuff. So you'll see there's some hardwired connections in here. You don't need to use these if you don't want, but because I already have a ring cam that I'm using my hard wires for, but I'm just using this for the battery power. So we'll go ahead and set that aside. This is for charging it up. It says you need to charge it like at least once every 3 months. And then here's the mounting screws, and we're gonna go ahead and install this because this is what the camera's gonna go to. And we'll bring these templates here as well. Now for mounting this thing, you have a couple options here. On the back of both of these, there's some adhesive, and you can use, you want to use your 15 degree, so it's kind of like a pie wedge. You want to use your 15 degree mounting bracket. You put that down first, and then you'll put your camera on this one. The camera is going to go to that, and now you'll have your 15 degree angle. However, if you don't want to use that, set that aside. Your camera's still going to go to this, but you'll just mount it flush just with this thing. Okay, I already got a spot picked out where I want to install this thing. I'm going to go right over this here. And I am going to use the 15 degree bevel there. So I'm going to go ahead and peel that off and stick it on there, and then I'll screw it in. So I just peeled that 3M tape off of here, so I want to make absolutely sure it's straight before I press it down on there. Okay, I've got it affixed there. So now I'll go ahead and install the screws. Got the screws I'll put right in here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sink these 4 screws right in here. And the 4 smaller screws will go right in there. I'll show you that next. Okay, got the screws all in there. See those little screws there? Those are the ones we're gonna be installing. I already got 1 in. I'm gonna put 3 more in there. Make sure you have that arrow pointing up. Okay, we've got those screws installed now. go.